I'm Susan. Today I'm trying a new recipe and it's called Easy Tex Mex Hash. And I hope it'll be good and I hope y'all are doing great. For this recipe we'll need 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, a package of potatoes O'Brien, 1 cup of chunky salsa, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 cup of Colby-Monterey Jack cheese. You want to brown your ground beef in a large nonstick skillet until it's done. And you want to stir it frequently. And then you want to remove your ground beef from the skillet and cover to keep it warm and discard the drippings. Now in that same skillet, you want to heat your oil over medium heat until it's hot, and then you want to add your potatoes and cook and stir 8 to 10 minutes or until brown. Now I made a mistake in this. I thought it said a 24-ounce bag, 3 cups, which I thought was a 24-ounce bag, but as I was reading my recipe, it said from a 24-ounce bag, and I just used the whole bag, and that worked fine. But now my boys did say they would add ketchup to it because it needed like a sauce. It didn't seem like it had a sauce. So more than likely, if it didn't have as many potatoes, it might have a little bit more looseness. Now after you get your potatoes brown, you want to stir in your salsa, your chili powder, and your cooked ground beef, and you want to cook it for another 5 to 8 minutes until they're thoroughly heated. Now if you want to use the whole bag of potatoes like I did, I would add more salsa and more cheese to it. Now the seasoning was good. I was surprised it didn't have salt. Asked for salt, but it really didn't need it. It was really good, and I did salt and pepper my ground beef when I cooked it. Now after it's heated thoroughly, you just sprinkle the top with your cheese, and you put the lid on, and it said to cook it for 2 to 4 more minutes until the cheese melted. But I didn't have to. I just cut my stovetop off, put the lid on, and just let it melt, and it did great. And here it is. And regardless of whether it needed ketchup or anything, it was really good, and it's something my family said that they would want again. I mean, beef and potatoes, you can't go wrong. And then you add the cheese on top. But I can understand what they meant by the sauce. I think if you added like an enchilada sauce to it, it would be good as well. But anyway, it was delicious as is, and I hope you'll give it a try. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell and leave a comment. Y'all take care. And until next time, bye y'all.